Welcome to Introduction to Financial Accounting, Accounting 201 at Kapiolani Community College. In this video, I'll take you on a racing tour through our course so you can see everything that's available for you in the shortest possible time. First of all, you want to go to Start Here First, which is a kind of lesson or module page where you're now watching this video. Like most pages you'll see, it has a handy dandy checklist you can use to keep track of things that you've done and your remaining items left to do. We have information on our textbook and the publisher's website, as well as how the class is organized. You also want to scroll down and see what's available further down the page. For example, all the way at the bottom, there are technical tips and guidance on dealing with an online environment, including how to work best with your fellow students in the class and on your teams. Now to the overview page. This page has the recent announcements I've made lined up on the right-hand side. There's also a welcome message from me and very basic information about the course and our textbook. From here, we want to go to the syllabus. This is on the left-hand side down near the bottom of the course menu. There are two syllabus formats. One is PDF and the other one is available for reading, audio reading in Microsoft Word. We'll look at the PDF one and whip through here. You can see that it has some basic info about the course contact information, including our Zoom meeting room and so forth, and what we're going to learn in the class, as well as class policies and how grading works. There are also the institutional policies at KCC, as well as important things like what you're supposed to get out of the accounting program at KCC. Accounting 201 is an important course in the accounting program and in all business programs. There's tons of information down here at the bottom that apply to all different students. Check out our textbook information. There are also two links on our course menu. One is how you sign up for our specific class, and the other is the general login page for Wiley Plus. We'll look at those two in a separate video. Next, forums. Several important forums are available for you right now. Of course, I haven't read anything because I'm an example student here, but Getting to Know You is our first big posting in the graded forum section. Then in the ungraded forum, there are two announcements in the communications policy. In the personal forum section, there's your own forum that only you and I can see. So since I'm sample student here, I see myself. And the graded forums are the ones you'll receive points for. Ungraded forums are ones we use to socialize, ask questions, or get information across. Later on, there'll be a team forum section, and you'll be using that pretty heavily. I recommend you use the general or Wiley Plus troubleshooting forums to post when you have issues with it and ask other students if they can help you figure it out. It's fairly likely if you're stuck late at night, you won't be getting an answer from me until well into the next day. So it's quite possible a fellow student could answer you much earlier. Maybe they've had the exact same problem as you. The KCC calendar is available for you to use right here, and my daily schedule is also here. It's typically much more usable during a regular semester when I have face-to-face classes, but at any rate, if you want to connect with me in real time, following my instructions on setting up Zoom meetings in Communication Policy Statement 2 or in Module 1, you should expect a 24-hour response time from me Monday through Friday, but not on holidays or weekends. There are a couple menu items. Check these guys out before we go. There are a couple menu items that start with Laulima. Number one, Laulima assignments. The first one is our simulated problem reporting assignment. I've set this one up so you can communicate efficiently with me if you have technical or other issues. With the speed this class goes, you don't have much time for multiple back and forth messages over several days, or you'll miss important deadlines. Here's the Laulima only gradebook, which will grow as assignments become available and we progress through the course. An important note is there are two gradebooks you need to watch in this class, this one and one with many more points in Wiley Plus. Periodically, I'll update the cumulative course grade in Laulima with your earned and available points from Wiley Plus. By the way, in the Laulima gradebook, if an item has not been graded yet, or it has no grade, or it appears in parentheses, it won't be included in your grade percentage computation, so be aware of that. The course content is organized by modules. Module 1 is the one that includes a reference to this Start Here Now and also includes the first activities we'll be doing. So basically it consists of checklists, content and lessons for the chapters, how to get the textbook and ebook and the Wiley Plus access code, the learning activities, special things that you should be picking up in the chapter, and instructors' notes, videos, links to assignments, special instructions, guidelines, certain files, and so forth. Check out the recurring tasks for this class that'll show up at the bottom of every page from Module 2 on. Here's a brief look at it. Again, a checklist and a little bit of specifics on getting set up. As I'll explain in Module 2, because we're in a super accelerated summer course, we'll have to cover about 3 chapters of every week of class. That's a lot. So I've broken it up into 2 deadlines per week, with 2 chapters due on one day and 1 chapter and another activity due on another day. Tests and quizzes will pop up in Module 2, and at this point they're exclusively for information here in La Lima, so there won't be too many items in this tool. I hope this helps. Enjoy the class, please, and post on the open forums or your personal forums if you have any questions whatsoever. Thanks for watching.